To us, every day presents a new opportunity. A chance to continue progressing towards a better Africa. We are on a mission to improve lives through improved energy infrastructure and access to electricity. Mwenga Wind Project is located in Usokami, Iringa, a small village in the southern part of Tanzania. Through the efforts of our client, Rift Valley Energy, technical partner Enercon, and ourselves, Tanzania is now capable of harnessing one of the world's most abundant resources, the strength of the wind. This 2.4 megawatt wind project is a necessary extension to Rift Valley Energy's current generation capacity. It ensures continued availability of affordable green power to a growing community and the surrounding small and medium-sized industries, further fueling Tanzania's economic growth. This is Tanzania's first wind farm, and while it's great for CEG to be part of history, nothing beats the sense of achievement resulting from enabling further development in remote communities. Because now, even when the sun sets, the lights stay on. Local businesses are empowered, homes are illuminated, and families can be even closer. CSI Energy Group, enabling success.